Back to our YouTube channel. If you're new here, this channel deals with business, lifestyle, health, technology. Welcome in today's vlog. We are going to do a cleaning motivational video, so watch it till the end and you'll get motivation to do cleaning in your house. We are starting by spreading the bed. So tunaweka dauni, watu wa dauni unanika vizuri, alafu tuende tukaanike. Hizi nguo ni mingi, tunaweka 1.5.
Bebe ashamaliza kufua.
Wewe tu hujasaidia.
Tunaenda kuanika huko juu. Utanipiga fine. Utanipiga fine.
Wewe ndo unabeba tena zote.
Nabeba hizi nitupeleke huko juu. Tutawaonyesha huko juu. Stay tuned.
For us, we are using Happy Power Plus 10X. For cleaning our toilet and disinfecting. So as we're going to to hang the clothes. To hang the clothes. So tunaacha kama tumeweka Happy Power Plus 10X. Tukirudi itakuwa iko ready to wash
for 20 minutes.
For 20 minutes. Selina ajua ametu influence.
Hata kama anasema mami ni motugo.
So wakati tuache ikuwe sawa sawa. Twendeni,
and if you leave many likes to this video, we will do a home tour.
Yeah. You wanna see our new home?
Give this video a like.
Yeah. And don't forget to subscribe.
Yeah. So which product are you using to clean your utensils?
Pride, the dishwashing paste. It's very nice.
And also?
It does not have that too much smell. And also what?
They have not sponsored this video.
Welcome back. I'm done doing my cleaning. I hope this video motivates you so that you can also do your cleaning in your house. See you in the next vlog. Bye.